Hello everyone, I'm Marcus. Welcome to another tutorial series of LearnDataScienceSkill.com. And in this tutorial series, I'm going to show you what are the different techniques of machine learning with using Python. If you are new to data science or even machine learning, then I guess this video or this series will be the right one for you, because instead of showing you what are the mathematical formulas or even throwing you different technical explanation of different machine learning techniques, we are going to dive right into write some code with some practical example so that you can apply them directly in your job or even in work to impress your boss. And we are going to use Google Colab, which is a free software, and we are also going to use Python, which is one of the most famous programming language. And if you would like to follow along this tutorial series to learn more about machine learning or what are the examples that we are going to go through, feel free to click a like button or subscribe button. And without further ado, let's look at what is machine learning. So if you look at Wikipedia, learning is defined as the process of acquiring new understanding, knowledge, behavior, skills, values, attitudes, and preferences. And the ability to learn is not only possessed by humans or animals, but also in machines nowadays. So machine learning is actually defined as the algorithms, which are basically mathematical models that are trained based on sample data in order to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to do so. So what it means here is actually we can actually train the machine with some trained data to make it to be able to make some decisions or predictions for human being. And the purpose that we want to do that is because machine never gets tired, or machine can perform computation even 100 times or even 1,000 times faster than human beings, and therefore we want to exploit the advantages of using machines or computers. And in fact, nowadays machine learning is already applied in different areas or fields in our daily life. For example, speech recognition, voice, face, fingerprint recognition, natural language processing, in which we are using machine learning techniques to extract useful and meaningful information from a bunch of text, automatic medical diagnostics, automatic packaging plans, email spam detection, or content categorization, which is especially important nowadays because there are so many different types of social media in which you have a lot of images, videos, and text being uploaded every day, and people are actually trying to use machine learning techniques to do categorization of this content. And frequent pattern mining is a technique which is very widely used in a lot of e-commerce platforms such as, for example, Amazon, and it will basically recommend you different products based on the product that you have browsed or purchased previously. So yeah, so in this series we are going to look at supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So supervised learning is a learning method in which the algorithms learns from a labeled dataset. What is meant by labeled dataset is a dataset that is basically consists of the questions and the answer. So you basically give the machine what will be the question and what will be the answer, and the algorithm basically learn from there. So after that, if you provide another set of questions to the machine, it's going to make the prediction or give you an answer based on what it has learned before. And in this supervised learning, we are going to learn linear regression. We will also learn logistic regression, support vector machines, and also k-nearest neighbors. And for unsupervised learning, unlike supervised learning, the machines are not given a labeled dataset, but instead the machine will try to identify some patterns or regularities from the data itself, and then make some deductions or classifications from there. And for unsupervised learning, we are going to look at different examples of how we can use clustering. So if you would like to follow along to learn about this technique and how we can write code in a step-by-step approach to use them immediately in your daily life, or even in your work, or even in your research, please feel free to click the like button of this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video.